ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ እንደምን አላችሁ እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ ለዛሬ vlog ማለት ነው እንግዲህ ዛሬ ወንድማችን አብዛኞቻችሁ ታውቁታላችሁ አተም from Cameroon ይዘነው መጣናል ወደ አዲስ አበባ እንግዲህ አዲስ አበባ እንዲያያት ማለት ነው እንዴት እንደምታምር ላሳየው ይዤው መጥቻለሁ ማለት ነው ወንድም አለው ይዤው መጥቻለሁ ነው የሚባለው ወይስ ወንድም አለው ማላልኩትም ጉድ ኦኬ listen ተረዱኝ እንግዲህ በእንግሊሽ ላወራ ነው ምናምን ሹሽ የሚልባችሁ ካላችሁ አማርኛ እየቀላቀልኩ ምናምን እናገራለሁ ማለት ነው ናፒ ለራሱ አለ ሹሽ እያለው ነው አማርኛ ለምዴ ችግር የለውም so welcome to Ethiopia
thank you so much my brother thank you
Boom.
so much Ethiopia
Cameroon
I'm here for you
Cameroon is in Ethiopia Addis Ababa okay one question I have for you is once you landed on Ethiopia what is the first feeling that you had or even before you land when you were on the plane once you saw the structure the lights
from the air
yeah
the lights that was in Addis right
yeah
I passed through a couple of countries and I did not experience this light
really
so when I got into Addis it was lit then when I landed the airport lit
yes
when I stepped out
yeah
bro
what did you feel
bro
what did you feel
Addis is fire man
yes beautiful isn't it Addis Ababa you know it's going to be the capital of Africa very soon Ethiopia man
I think it is already man
yeah
like you need to visit Addis Ababa you watching right because
you watching
the architecture is different
yeah
it's beautiful it's just come
yeah
just come
so today my goal is I'm going to show him around in Addis Ababa
right
and tomorrow he's going to have a tour guide he's going to vlog YouTube videos and TikTok videos as well but today he's going to be staying with me and we're going to vlog it vlog እናደርገዋለን ተከታተሉን ማለት ነው እሺ Atem in Addis Ababa Mr. Cameroon is here to meet Mr. Ethiopia
yes sir
and we're going to make it happen
yes sir
guys አሁን ደግሞ ወደ ሻራተን ይዤው እየሄድኩኝ ነው ምሳ ልጋብዘው ነው ማለት ነው we're going to have the best lunch
yes sir
yeah you ready my brother
I'm ready Ethiopia you ready for me
yes ናፒ እንግዲህ የእንግሊሽ ጥረት እያጋጠሙ ይገኛል ሰር yes ነው የሚለው ግባ በልሽ ና ግባ
sir yes sir
yes sir sir
yes sir
ና ግባ
language sir
how do they say sir in Amharic
what are you saying ምን ለማለት እየሞከርክ ነው
በኒጋዴ
come again
what
በኒጋዴ
ma
ልትሰብረው ነው እንዴ በኪያው ና ግባሽ ዝም ብለህ ናፒ ግባ ዝጋው እያደከምከው ነው በቃ ናፒ የማታደርግ ዝጋውሽ
አላቋርጥ ጀምሪ ሳላይ ላይ ፈንቀይሪ እንዲህ ነበር ቃላል ቢከተላስ ተተምር ሰው ቢያወራ ስለኔ መስግድ ሰጥቶኝ እኔ አላቅም መዛት መብራት ስራ ነው ምስክሪ የወረፍኩት ነው ከባቴ ይህን ከማራ ኩራት ቢሆንም ተው አይሆንም ወደ ማታ ለእራት ዝምሽ ልጠብቅ ከሰውን የፈጣሪ ሁሌ ከጎን ቁርስም መሳመራት አብዛኝ እኔም ብቻ ነኝ ለኔ አይልም ብቻ የለም ላይ ምጣቃለ የሚበላ ሁሌም ክፍት መድረኩ ካልጠፋ የጥበብ መላ ቃላት አስተዳደር የጥማደራደሪ ተደብቆ ቢሳላ በውስጤ እስከ ዛሬ ከዘገየ ቢገባኝ ቢገልጥልኝ ዛሬ ይኸው ማከታተሉን ቀጠልኩ ከትላንት ጀምሬ አይነክስም 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 ነውና አዲስ እረኛ ከብት ያስተኛ ይስጠኝ ጽናቱ እንጂ እኔ ማተኛ ስምህ ማነው ይላሉ ጥያቄ ያበዛል ከየት እንዴት እስከ ዛሬ ወዴት ነበርክ ይላሉ እኔም እቀጥላለሁ መልስ እሰጣቸዋለሁ ዋናው እኔም መምጣቴ እናንተ መውደዳችሁ ነው ከነበረው ቀን ይበልጣል ከዚህ በኋላ ያለው እላለሁ መልሳለሁ ከዛም እመለሳለሁ ብራናው ላይ ማራቀቁ በብዕር ይቀጥላል ይላሉ ደግሞ አንዳንዶች አትናገር ሳታስብ ታዲያ ጌታ ባመጣ የሁሉ ግጥም ባላስብ ምንድነው የምትለው አሳሰብ ለመጥራት አትፈልግ ሰበብ ስራይ ካልተመቸ አድብ ላፍ አይቅደመው ስድብ ከደም ደጋግማ አዳምጠው ለራስህም ጊዜ ስጠው ካልተመቸ ለውጠው እየመረርህ አባል እናሳ
yes sir I'm gonna get out the other way ስሜ ፓርክ አድርጋትና ና ደውልልኝ እሺ ምሳ እንድትበላ okay we are here ሻራተን ይላል ጫማይ ደግሞ እየወለቀብኝ ነው my shoes is actually large It's like getting off, man. Look at this shit. What the hell? Huh? We're gonna enter that way. እንደዚህ ብዬ ነው የምራመደው. Huh? So what do you think about this place?
It's beautiful, man. Yo.
You see how amazing it is?
Then it's large.
Huh?
It's large, beautiful. Like
It's large.
the natural scenery, the gardens and everything is
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Then the material, man.
Very.
The material.
You'll see inside. They have worked on the details as well.
Okay.
Yeah. This is basically the luxury Ethiopia,
Okay.
right? Ooh. Guys, አሁን እንግዲህ ሰራዊት ፍቅሬ ከአተም ጋር እየተዋወቁ ይገኛሉ.
Good to see you too. Thank you so much.
Huh?
Are you from Cameroon?
Yeah, from Cameroon.
Nice.
Thank you so much.
He's the biggest superstar in Ethiopia. Very respected and very known. Mega superstar. Huh?
And social media.
In
Huh?
Cameroon,
Yeah.
when we meet a high dignitary,
Yeah.
or a superstar,
Yeah.
or a great person,
Yeah.
especially a legend and an icon, what we do is it's no form of worshiping, but we say,
See? He deserves that, man. He's done so much for this country.
right,
Trust me.
Atam.
yes sir.
My name is Sarawit. Sarawit.
Okay, Sarawit.
Sarawit in English, you know, it means army.
Army.
Yeah.
That's literally his name. A whole army. Never loses. የኔ አባት ሰራዊቴ አንድ ቀን እየመጣች ነው ቲክቶካችን
እየደረስን ነው።
ወዳለሁ በጣም ወዳለሁ የኔ አባት። እሺ ደህና ሁንልኝ። እሺ so he's a superstar, man. He's known for his advertisements and the way he creates unique promotions.
Okay.
He has a very unique voice that captured the whole country. Like
All right.
there's no one that doesn't know him.
You can feel the aura when it's around.
You feel it, yeah? And guys, አሁን እንግዲህ አተም ወደ ቶቶት ይዤው መጥቻለሁ and he is going to be trying injera for the first time. It's your first time, no?
First, yes. First.
Yes. So what are you expecting? Do you think it's going to be better, spicy?
It looks nice.
Yeah.
So I hope it's nice in my mouth. Let's try it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going to tell you to rate it 1 to 10.
Yeah.
It's okay. You can just try it. If it's good, you go like this.
Okay.
If it's not good, you still go like this. You don't have no option to say this.
Either ways.
Never.
Either ways.
we're gonna jump you. I'm joking. Let's go in. So here ቶቶት ነው. No, I mean, I'm speaking to you in እንዴት ነህ? እንደምን አለ? ደህና ነህ? አለን የኔ አባት። ሃይ እንዴት ናችሁ? Thank you. ሶስት እስኪ ወደዚህ አካባቢውን ብርሃን ያለበት ቦታ አላት። እሺ. You see, this is all traditional.
Wow.
Authentically from here. Can you imagine? Look at this. Huh? Yeah, sure. Guys, አሁን ሜኑ መጥቶልናል ማለት ነው። ያለነው ደግሞ ቶቶት ነው። አሳያቸው ናፒዬ። መድረክ አለ፣ ትንሽ ፐርፎርማንስ አለች፣ የስቴጅ ፐርፎርማንስ። እሱም የሚያዩ ይሆናል። ከ30 ደቂቃ በኋላ ነው የሚጀምረው። ከዛ ቤቱን አሳያቸው ናፒዬ። It looks amazing አይደለ? በጣም ነው የሚያምረው. So, everything here made authentically, traditionally, tailored to Ethiopian people. This is how we grew up mostly. I mean, now we're being modern, right? You can see the city and stuff, but we also haven't forgot our culture, our roots. This reminds us like home, right? The smell.
Right.
It's something different, right? Like, have you ever experienced something like this before?
It's so beautiful and unique. It's different now. It's
Yeah.
different.
So Ethiopia has never been colonized.
Yes.
So we haven't lost our touch with our culture and our roots.
Right.
And everything that makes us us.
سلوكي يا عبد عبد تفتح ركب صحيح والبيت عيني